Coffee gives you a spike, energy drinks leave you wired, but herbal tea? It heals, cleanses, and restores silently. Today, I'll show you why herbal tea might be the most powerful drink you're not using yet, and how to choose the right one for your mind, body, and soul. Part 1. What herbal tea actually does to your body. Let's break it down, cup by cup. 1. Detoxification. Dandelion, burdock root, and nettle help flush toxins through the liver and kidneys. Your body's spring cleaning crew. 2. Calms the nervous system. Chamomile and lemon balm are like meditation in a mug. They help reduce cortisol and quiet an anxious mind. 3. Aids digestion. Peppermint, ginger, fennel. These herbs reduce bloating, soothe the gut lining, and stimulate digestive enzymes. 4. Strengthens immunity. Elderberry, echinacea, and rosehip are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Your first line of defense in flu season. 5. Hormonal balance. Red raspberry leaf, vitex, and holy basil help support menstrual cycles, adrenal function, and mood swings. Part 2. Choosing the right tea for your needs. Here's your quick start tea matching guide. Your goal? Best herbal teas. Sleep and relaxation, chamomile, valerian root, lemon balm. Energy and focus, ginseng. Yerba mate, rhodiola. Hormonal support, red clover, holy basil, dong quai. Skin and hair health, rooibos, nettle, hibiscus. Weight and digestion, dandelion, ginger, fennel, and peppermint. Don't worry, you don't need all of them. Pick 1 to 2 per goal and rotate weekly. Part 3. The ritual. How to brew for maximum effect. To unlock the full power of your herbs, do this. Use loose leaf herbs or fresh cut if available. Avoid dust-filled tea bags. Use filtered water and a non-metal container like ceramic or glass. Steep 7 to 10 minutes covered, especially for roots and barks. Drink slowly, intentionally. Your body listens when you do. Optional. Add raw honey or lemon only after the tea cools slightly to preserve enzymes. Part 4. My favorite daily tea recipes. Try these 3 beginner-friendly blends. 1. The Morning Cleanse, liver plus gut reset. 1 teaspoon dandelion root, 1 teaspoon ginger dash of cinnamon. Boosts digestion, metabolism, and energy without caffeine. 2. The Calm Mind Elixir, anxiety plus sleep. 1 teaspoon chamomile, 1 teaspoon lemon balm, pinch of lavender, great before bed or when overstimulated. 3. The Glow Up, skin plus hormones. 1 teaspoon nettle, 1 teaspoon hibiscus, 1 teaspoon red clover, balances hormones, clears skin, supports blood flow. Part 5. Why herbal tea works when nothing else does. Herbs have been medicine for 5,000 plus years, from Ayurvedic blends to traditional Chinese medicine. Herbal teas don't force your body into balance, they remind it. In a world of synthetic fixes and overstimulation, this is your quiet rebellion, a return to nature, to stillness, to true healing. If this inspired you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs healing. Comment below, what's your favorite herbal blend? And if you want more herbal tutorials, natural remedies, and sacred self-care rituals, subscribe and join the Calm Power Daily Circle.